These are skilled people. They've been in the trades for years, and they know what they're doing, and they're dedicated. It's not like, the heck with this. That's good enough. It's not good enough. They won't let it go by because people are riding the cars, the trains, and it's safety. And the people that work on these things are dedicated. They're not just, oh, it's a paycheck. No, it's not just a paycheck. It's your livelihood and safety. That because other people are depending on you. And you can't let them down. You don't.